Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix FIFA 23 black screen problem. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then type Windows Update Settings and then once you're here, click check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and then go to game mode, and after that turn on this option and go to Xbox game bar and turn off this option. Go to graphics settings and then enable this option, and after that right click on FIFA 23, go to properties and then go to compatibility. And now once you're here, make sure to enable those three options around this program as administrator, and then disable full screen and compatibility mode for Windows 8, apply and OK, and after that restart your PC and your problem must be fixed.